ki kies ki bathamai ki bang yo hadum ta nado melin ki long khat nyu nagini khat nyu khat ar ki dei na po East Khasi Hills ar ki dei na North Garo Hills but lai ki dei na West Garo Hills active case ki bang idon hadum manta kelum lang bar hot ki long Sunspa Khandai Pusau but nakini Sunspa Khandai Pusau Southpa Sanpulai kidei na po East Khasi Hills nakini Southpa Sanpulai naki BSF kidon Sispa Saupuar naki wei Aspa Sapusan but naki Armed Forces Nreu West Khasi Hills Nreu Ribhoi Nreu Pusan West Jaintia Hills Khatsan East Jaintia Hills Khatpra West Garo Hills Lifeway Southwest Garo Hills R South Garo Hills R North Garo Hills R kibala recover menta kasi gilong khat R pada kini khat R na East Khasi Hills gilong south iway na po BSF but lai na kiway Ribhoi Nyau West Jaintia Hills iway ibakhlad na menin ilong iway but hado menta kasi kibala recover kelum lang baro kilong Southpa Arpulai but ibakhlad hado menta kilong Nreu kini kan nyawut ngilong mene na East Khasi Hills kidon khat a san kidai iway na kidong kiba fair nyau kidai na po ki hospital ba fair but kamtame na po RPHS hospital na West Garo Hills lai kidai BSF na North Garo Hills iway idai health worker iberang su ngidang sudap tungkam i na mentak covid but iway bedai di return ni na po asan mal ali keleng takada warani motor su close down bal ali keleng tu you kata district jail ali keleng mo te ngin sai pek kalong no ta hadu banta kini ki chapo rangthong gilong negatif ha ula ali keleng gen abrik tu ka quarantine te ha amu dan perlok don tu pharmacist bodan perlok tu takada kalong ke danger kan ni ya ladi tu film lei nama fidang kena fidang samla fidang lei kapan kata pada gitu ki kendu ya gede gibal atmen gibarang kena to once again min ong biang hang ni sai sim wat le kam kai kan ni nama wat khen kam kai ya ladi fin sngom bam film lei tambahkan lei pada ki wei pada ki ba duna ya ga immunity I think you need body government servant. He's a responsible person. He's a government he's a responsible person. He knows about this. He has been trained. I think the action which will be taken against him will be more than just paying.